fall in love again. Still feels like I could open just so I could say the night easily. Hi my beauties, and welcome back to my channel. Today I recorded this really nice orange cut crease. Let me zoom in so you guys can see how it looks. I only used one eyeshadow palette and it's my favorite Morphe eyeshadow palette. And I did record some of my makeup portion. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I got this look, then just stay tuned and let's get started. So I'm just gonna conceal my eyelids just so I can have a nice base before we apply the eyeshadow. And honestly, I don't even know what type of eye makeup I'm doing. I'm just gonna do my eyeshadow and see what the fuck I come out with, because I didn't plan this video. I was just like, you know what, I'm gonna wake up and film today. So yeah, so I'm gonna go in with what color should I go in? I'm gonna go in with this. Ooh, should I do an orange color? Let's just go in with this one for now. It's gonna be this orange shade right here, and we just want to apply this on the crease and up. This is gonna be a transition color, so let's make sure blend this color in real good. I'm gonna talk about the Botox because I was gonna make a video, but honestly there's really not a lot to talk about Botox besides the fact that I freaking love it, and I'll probably go and do it again just because it like literally doesn't give you no more wrinkles. Like if I go like that, you guys can't even see that I'm getting wrinkles. You know how when I would always be doing my eyeshadow be like that and I would see wrinkles. Now I don't see wrinkles, so I really like that. I actually got 20 units, so I went to Flawless Laser Center. Each unit is $9, so I got 20 units, so 20 times 9 is 180. So I paid 180 for my Botox, and the girl said that they usually last for about 3 to 4 months. Each person is different. There's different levels of fillers for Botox, but the girl said that I only needed 38 cc. So I was just like, okay, like, you know, I didn't really know much. I just, you know, wanted to get Botox. So she's like, let's just try this one out and see how it is. If it doesn't work, then we can always try a different one next time, and you can always come back. So I was just like, okay. It actually did work because now I don't see any wrinkles. Like if I go like this, or if I frown my face, like you can't really see any wrinkles. And she put some right here in the center. She was like, okay, frown for me, and I went like that, and like she put some right here, and then she put some all over here. Pain wise, honestly, it didn't even hurt. Literally, she finished like in 2 minutes doing my whole Botox. I feel like the lips is more painful than the Botox. Oh yeah, and then your face feels frozen. Like I remember the first time I got it, it felt so weird because my whole forehead right here, it just felt so frozen. Like I didn't really have no expression. It felt weird, but then I got used to it. It kind of feels weird at the beginning because, you know, like you feel like something's here. And Botox, like a filler that relaxes your muscle, so you know, it's gonna relax your muscles. I remember I would come home and I'll be like, what the hell, I can still see my wrinkles. But it was because I needed to let more time pass so it can work. So it won't start working until like a week from the time you get your Botox. So just an FYI. Finally cleaned my eyeshadow brushes. I'm so freaking happy because I've been lagging to clean my brushes, and I was like, fuck, I really need to clean them. Like I really do. It's a new year. I need to start fresh with my brushes. We're gonna go in with this color, this one right here. It's like a bright orange, like a bright pumpkin orange. And we're gonna apply this color on the crease only. You need to blend it in with your transition color. We need to make these two colors become friends so they can blend in nice. So yeah, it literally started showing like about like 2 weeks after I got my Botox. I could notice the Botox working, and then it stopped feeling weird because I got used to it. That's just an FYI. If you guys are planning on getting Botox, that's what you guys should expect. Nothing like very dramatic, but I would go back and do it again just because I like the fact that I don't have wrinkles in my forehead when I'm like making face expressions. Before this, I was straightening my hair and I was watching the Aaron Hernandez Netflix series. If you guys haven't watched that, it's really good. You guys should watch it. So right now I'm just blending in the first eyeshadow with this orange shade just so we can get like a nice blend. And I like to start from the edge. I don't know, I just feel like when you start from the edge, you don't put a lot of color on the top. Oh, I love that blend, sis. Okay, so now that we have this, I'm gonna go in with a dark color and a smaller brush. So let's go in with this brown right here. We're gonna create like a V shape. So go ahead and create a V shape first. So you guys see how I created this V shape and then blend it outwards. So now that you have your V shape, you can start blending it in. And you can always go back and add more. Our goal is to just add this color in the end and blend it in, because we're gonna do a cut crease right now. I'm gonna do the same thing to my other eye. You do not want to go too high, because then you're gonna like totally mess up all the blending you did before this. Okay, we're gonna go back in with the pumpkin orange and blend that color in a little bit more. Just going back with the pumpkin orange and just blend that in with the dark brown that we just added, so we could get like a nice blend. And now we are going to cut the crease. Let me get a flat brush, because you will need a flat brush for this step. Let me just curl up my straightener, because now I'm gonna eat some shit right now with the cable. I'm gonna take this like flat brush. Can you see it? So when you want to cut your crease, you really just want to like look at your eye and where it creases and then go on top of that, just so the colors won't like go on top of your eyelid. Like that. And we're gonna go in with this light shade right here, and we're gonna blend that color in on the concealer. We're just gonna set the concealer with this color basically. I'm just gonna stop in the middle, because then we're gonna take the dark brown and blend it in with this shade. Now we're gonna go with the brown shade, blend it in with this color. Okay, so you don't like really put a lot of color in there and mess it up. Once you get some color, just tap it on like a piece of paper in your hand, and with the leftover, this is all we need to do like this last part. And then with the pumpkin orange, we're gonna go in a little bit, because this is really pigmented, and do the same thing. Tap the color on your hand, so you just like get a little bit and just blend that color in. Just basically sway that color back and forth. And I like to use a NYX liquid liner, and it's in the shape Vinyl, I think. This is water fucking resistant. I don't even use waterproof makeup. Fuck it. I guess if you make me cry, it's gonna last forever. So I like to start from the end. So yeah, I'm just gonna do my other eyeliner and I'll be back. Well, I already moisturized my face with my Cetaphil moisturizer. I'm gonna go in with my primer, and I'm using this Wonder Glow Ahead. It came in my BoxyCharm, and I've been obsessed with this. On my skin, it's so good. So it's just like this gooey thing. I don't even have to set my foundation with the setting spray, and this will keep my foundation and it will last all day. I'm gonna go in with our Dragon Beauty concealer. If I don't do this step, I feel like my makeup is not gonna look good. And I'm gonna be using the L'Oreal True Match foundation. I've been obsessed with this foundation just because it feels so light on your skin. It's freaking bomb. Just go ahead and blend this thing. So as you guys can see, this foundation covered my skin pretty darn good. I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty contour stick and just blend this in. I'm just gonna go and finish my whole face and I'll be back. Okay, so I'm back. This is the final look. But I still haven't blended in the eyeshadow for the last time. So I'm gonna go in with this soft color and just blend that color in on the top. Let me just get close to the camera so you guys can see the eyeshadow. For my eyelashes, I'm using the Cocoa Lashes. Bitch. Let me do that again because you know I'm super clumsy. For my lashes, I'm using the style Carry. These are like one of my favorite eyelashes from Cocoa Lashes. For my lips, I'm using my favorite Milani lipstick in the color Adorable, and my lip liner is from NYX and it's in the color Mahogany. So yeah guys, I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on your bell notifications so you guys are always notified every single time I upload, and follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you guys in my next makeup tutorial or my next video. Bye guys.